Hi, in this GroupWise 2012 What's New video, I'm going to demonstrate the new appointment recurrence capabilities of GroupWise WebAccess. GroupWise WebAccess has always been a great way to collaborate with your coworkers and teammates, but with the release of GroupWise 2012, WebAccess now offers you many of the same appointment recurrence capabilities as the GroupWise client. To begin talking about recurrence, let's create a new appointment. As usual, I fill in the to list. In this case, I'm sending it to Marie Bernard and Xander Dominguez. But because I want this appointment to occur at a regular interval, I click Recurrence. With Recurrence, I have four options: daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Let's begin by exploring the daily recurrence pattern. By default, the daily pattern has the appointment occur every day for 5 days. If I choose this pattern, a description is provided in the interface to let me know how the appointment will occur. If I go back into the recurrence dialog and change the frequency from 1 day to 2, this appointment will occur every other day for as many occurrences as I designate. I can also choose to only have the appointment occur on weekdays, which is especially useful for meetings that fall during the regular business week. In lieu of having the appointment go for a certain amount of occurrences, I can also choose to have it extend to a date of my choosing by clicking Until and selecting a date from the calendar. After I choose a date and click OK, the description is updated to show my new recurrence pattern. Now, let's take a look at the weekly pattern. In the weekly pattern, the default is to occur every week for 52 weeks. Like the daily pattern, I can change how many weeks elapse between occurrences by changing the frequency settings. But I can also change which day or days of the week that the appointment will appear on. Just as I did before, I can click OK to see a description of my chosen recurrence settings. Back in Recurrence, let's take a look at the monthly pattern. The default for the monthly pattern is for the appointment to occur on the first day of the month and continue for 12 months. The second frequency settings option allows me to select which week of the month, first through 5th as well as last, and which day of the week, Sunday through Saturday, as well as day, weekday, and weekend day, that I want the appointment to occur on. Lastly, we'll explore the yearly pattern. The default first occurrence for the yearly pattern is the first January 1st after the current date, and it extends for 10 years. For example, if I were to create the appointment on November 18th, 2013, then the first occurrence would fall on January 1st, 2014, and it would recur until January 1st, 2024. Like the monthly pattern, the yearly pattern has a second frequency option that allows you to choose the date of your first occurrence based on where it falls in the month. I can change which month of the year the appointment occurs during as well. Now that we've looked at each of the recurrence patterns, I think that the monthly pattern will work best for my appointment. I choose the third Tuesday of every month for 12 months and click OK. Notice that the recurrent status message now reflects the options I've chosen. From here, I continue creating my appointment as I normally would, by changing the time, adding a subject, and a message. Then, I click Send. The appointment is sent, and it will recur based on the rules I established. The new recurrence features in GroupWise WebAccess give you the tools you need to make your appointments work for you. To learn more about Novell GroupWise, please visit novell.com/documentation. Thanks for watching.